Okay guys, this is FLN 14, frequency tables and dot plots. So we have left the land of geometry and we're moving into statistics. And statistics is just the concept of how you look at data, how you collect data, how you represent data, how data looks in the world. And it's very important, okay? Statistics is one of the more important things you guys are going to learn this term. So first off, data is just information. Information on height, age, all that kind of stuff is data. Right now they're collecting data information for the Census Bureau that the government uses then to allocate funds and stuff. So that's all data, and how you look at the data is very important because you can convey different things by showing the data in different ways. So the first thing we're going to work on is a frequency plot or a frequency table. Frequency is how often something occurs. So if we were going to talk about the frequency, you could talk about if we had a classroom, we said, how many kids in here have dogs? And that many kids raise their hands for dogs, or that many kids raise their hands for cats. And we could plot the frequency of how many different kind of pets people have. But we're going to work on a different kind of frequency data. So once we do the frequency, then you can put it into a table. Once you collect your data on frequency, you can put it into a table, and then you can put it into a dot plot. Okay, so the first example is one I made up. Let's say that you're in your quarantined house and you and your two siblings argue over who has to do the dishwasher. And you say, I always do the dishwasher, Mom. You never make the siblings do the dishwasher. And your mom says, I don't really believe you. That, you just telling her, isn't a very good argument. You compelling her with data is a better argument. So you decide to use your math 131 knowledge to get data to have a better argument against your mom. So for a week, you collect data on how many times everybody in the house does their dishes, and you put it on a calendar. Okay, so this is her calendar. Sarah gets a calendar, and every day that someone has to do the dishwasher, she makes a note of who has to do the dishwasher. It's between Sarah, Brian, and Anna. So now Sarah has 2 weeks of data that she has put on her calendar. S for Sarah, B for Brian, and A for Anna. Now, can she just take this data and show her mom? Sure, she could. But it's a more compelling argument if she puts it in a table or a dot plot. That gets the data across quickly to her mom. When making an argument, you want to make your argument quickly so as not to annoy the person you're talking to. Okay, so here's her frequency table she's going to do down here. On one column, she has the sibling's name, and on the other column, it's the frequency of unloading the dishwasher. So how many times did Sarah unload the dishwasher in this 2-week span? Let's count the S's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Sarah unloaded the dishwasher 5 times. This is how we would make a frequency table of her data. How many times did Brian unload the dishwasher? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brian unloaded the dishwasher 6 times. How many times did Anna unload the dishwasher? 1, 2, 3. Anna only unloaded the dishwasher 3 times. So this is an example of taking your data and putting it in a table so you can easily extradite, pull out that data and show it to your mom, saying, okay, Mom, I might not be unloading the data unloading the dishwasher the most, but Anna definitely is not pulling her weight. Brian, he is definitely pulling his weight. So my perception that I unloaded the most isn't quite accurate, but there definitely is a problem with Anna unloading the dishwasher. Okay, the next part, we've made our frequency table. Now I want you to take this frequency table and make it into a dot plot. Now, we did graphing and dot plots before, but so just a quick reminder, you need to label both of your axes. Right, on the y-axis, we're going to have frequency of unloading the dishwasher. How many times these kids unloaded the dishwasher. And on the x-axis, we have the siblings' names. And so this, I should put siblings' name here, siblings. Okay, that is the label of the x-axis. We have Sarah, Brian, and Anna. Then we just take, and always title. You always need to title your graph as well. Unloading dishwasher, okay? And this, what are our units on this one? Days, okay? Days. So it's important when making graphs to make it as clear as possible because you're trying to get this data across to your mom so that she'll make that lazy Anna start unloading the dishwasher a little more often. So how many times did Sarah unload?
5 times.
5. So I find Sarah and I go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's Sarah's dot. Now, how many times did Brian unload?
6.
So I find Brian and I go up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's Brian's dot. And Anna, how many times did Anna?
3.
1, 2, 3. Anna's dishwasher unloading. So that is how you make a dot plot of the data. We will start next week working on the next FLN will be on history. Okay, often when you see these dot plots, you will see for Sarah the number of dots for how many times she unloaded the dishwasher. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so Sarah has unloaded the dishwasher 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brian has unloaded the time 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Anna has unloaded the dishwasher 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you will see that way as well. I just wanted you guys to be aware of that.